Hi everybody. Today the topic is simple interest. So this is the interesting topic for you. Here first I will discuss what is interest. Interest means, suppose I borrow some money from bank. Suppose I borrow some money, rupees 1000 from bank. Then after 1 year I want to return this money to the bank. Then I have to return to the bank, suppose 1100 rupees. Because some interest bank will take some interest. That's why 1100 rupees I have to return to the bank. So here what is the extra money? That is 100. Because I have taken 1000 rupees, I borrow some money, that is 1000 rupees, and I have to return 1100 rupees. That means 100 rupees extra. So this is the interest I have to pay to the bank. 100 rupees is the interest. So the extra money, that is the interest, and this is the principal money. Which money I borrow, that money is principal, and which money I have to return to the bank extra, that is the interest. So this is the relationship between principal and interest. So here more term we will learn, that is rate of interest. Amount, time, this is principal and this is interest. Simple interest, short form is SI. S for simple, I for interest. Principal short form is P. Rate of interest short form is R. Amount short form is A. Time short form is T. So here 1100, that means 1100, that is the amount. So amount means what? Amount means principal plus SI. That is the amount. Now a easy way to find out the simple interest, that I will discuss now. How to find out simple interest in the easy way, by the easy way, that is SI equal to P into R into T divided by 100. P for principal, R for rate of interest, T for time, and this is divided by 100. So my question is here, from where I will get 100? Why I have written there 100? I have written 100 from rate of interest. Rate of interest means, that is R%. R% means R by 100. So for this I have written here 100, R by 100. That is a simple way to find out SI. Now we will learn what is the uses of the simple interest in our daily life. That is, if I will keep some money in the bank, suppose rupees 2000, that is principal. I want to keep this money to the bank. Then after some years, that means suppose after 2 years, I want to get back this money, and bank will give interest, that is rate of interest, that is suppose 10% per year, per annum. P and P dot A, that means per annum. Annum means year, annual. So 10% per annum bank will give interest, suppose. So after 2 years, how much money we will get back? So 8% means 10% per annum. So I want to calculate it. SI formula is P into R into T divided by 100. So I want to put all the values here. This is 2000 into R means 10 into time is 2 divided by 100. That means 2 to the 4, 400 rupees is the interest. Extra money I can get from the bank after 2 years. So total amount will be principal plus SI, that means 2000 plus 400, that means 2400 money I will get after 2 years. So for this calculation will be easier, then we can use this one process. For it, calculation will be easier. And what is the uses in our daily life? Because we have some money with ourselves. Suppose if we want to keep it in the bank, then after some years, if bank will return to us some extra money, that is our profit. So this is the one type of use. Another one use, if we want to take loan from the bank. If we want to take loan from the bank, then also this will be used. Suppose 10,000 rupees I want to take from the bank as per loan. After some years, suppose after 5 years, I will return this money. Then bank will take interest, suppose 10% per annum, per year 10% interest bank will take. Principal money is 10,000, borrowing money is 10,000. So how much money I have to return to the bank? How to calculate it? By that process, SI will be PRT by 100. Then P is 10,000 into T is 5 years and rate of interest is 10 divided by 100. So by this process we can get the money, extra money, how much extra money I have to return to the bank, I have to give to the bank, that we can get. So this is 5,000 rupees. That means after 5 years I have to return 10,000, that means the principal plus extra money 5,000. That means total 15,000 money I have to return to the bank. So that is the way. So SI equal to PRT by 100. If principal will not be given, principal we have to find out, then how we can find out? 100 will be multiplied, cross multiplication will be there. So SI with SI, 100 will be multiplied with SI, SI into 100 divided by here, except P, what is left? R and T, so R into T will be in the down. Same as when I want to find out rate of interest, then also SI into 100 divided by P into T. Then when time will be found out, then SI into 100 divided by P into R. So these all are the formula to find out the principal, to find out the rate, to find out the time. And this is simple interest, and amount equal to principal plus SI. So properly you have to practice this formula, then you can get the sum. So this is the introduction part of simple interest. Now we can start the exercise. This is exercise 12A from R.S. Agarwal book, question number 3. Find SI and amount. Principal is rupees 1500, rate is 12% per annum. That means annually rate of interest is 12%. Time is 3 years, 3 months. So principal, that means P, rate of interest, that means R, time, that means T. This time will be calculated, that will be transferred into year, 3 years. 3 whole of 3 by 12 months. This is 3 months, that means 3 by 12 years. So 3 whole of 1 by 4 year, that means 13 by 4 year. So SI equal to PRT by 100, then 1500 into 12 into 13 by 4, and here is 100. Now we'll calculate it. 4 3s are 12, then 15 3s are 45 into 13. That means 13 5s are 65, 6 carry, 52 and 6, that means 58. This is simple interest. So amount also we have to find out. Amount equal to principal plus SI, that means $2,085. Now question number 8. Principal is 5,000. Short form we have to write amount, that is A, rate of interest, that is R. So from amount and principal we will find out SI. So SI equal to amount minus principal. So this will be 1450 rupees, and rate is 12%. So time T equal to, formula will be SI into 100 divided by P into R. So SI is 1450 into 100 divided by principal is 5000 and R is 12%. So zeros will be cancelled. Then by 5 it can be divisible. So 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45. That means 29 by 12. Then 12 2s are 24, that is year. So it can be transferred into mixed fraction. 12 2s are 24, then 5 by 12 year. Then this 2 years, and this 5 by 12 into 12. It can be transferred into months. So 12 can be cancelled. So 2 years, 5 months. That's the answer. question number 10. Find rate of interest. Principal is rupees 5,200. SI is rupees 975. Time is 2 whole of 1 by 2 years. So here we have to find out rate of interest. So time, that means T. Principal, that means P. Time will be calculated, that is 5 by 2 years. Now rate of interest formula is SI into 100 divided by P into T. SI means 975 into 100 divided by 5,200 into time is 5 by 2. That means this will be reversed. That means 2 will be in the upwards. 975 into 100 into 2 whole divided by 5,200 into 5. Now these two zeros can be cancelled. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12 by 5. 5 1s are 5, 47, 5 9s are 45, 2, 5. That means 5 5s are 25. By 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 1s are 13, 13 5s are 65. That means 15 by 2. That means 7 whole of 1 by 2. This is the R. That means rate is 7 whole of 1 by 2% per annum. Therefore, this is the answer. This is question number 5. Here, for one thing I want to discuss now, that is time is 146 days. That's why I will do this sum here. Here principal for P, rate of interest for R and time for T. Here time is 146 days, so it can be converted into years. So it will be 146 divided by 365. Next we can use here. In the formula we can use that because that already converted into years. So SI equal to P into R into T by 100. So P is 5,000 into 9 into 146 by 365 into here is 100. These two zeros can be cancelled. So this can be cut by 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 3s are 15. Now this is divisible by 73. 73 2s are 146. Next 9 2s are 18. 18 into 10, that means 180. So SI is rupees 180. Amount we have to find out. Amount equal to principal plus SI, that means rupees 5,000 plus rupees 180, that means rupees 5,180. This is the answer.